Okay, this is Arbie. We'll be grooming her today. The first thing that we need to do is to wipe excess moisture. So this is just tissue. Then you wipe off moisture from the sides of her face. Like that. Like that. So this is how she looks like. Okay, afterwards, we put cholesterol. This is just conditioning cream. So, cholesterol. So, when you get it, comes out like this. Put it all over her face, like this. Make sure to cover the insides also. And include the chest, include the paw. Add it off. Short, cover this part as well. Okay. Now we'll move on to whitening this part of her face. This one. So, what we do is get this chalk stick. This is by Chris Christensen chalk stick. So with this, just put it on her face like that. On her chin first. Make sure to cover the side. This one. Other side. This one. See how the part is now whiter. Stretch your skin a little bit so that this product goes into. Okay. After the chalk stick, I like to do is also use some white ice powder. This is also by Chris Christensen. I just put it in this little container so it's nicer. And it has a little powder puff. So get some product on the cap. There. So you just brush it, get some on your brush, and then put some again on the cap. So it's like a secondary lip. You can use this to help secure her in place. Make sure to cover the sides. Edges between her face folds, like that. And this is called her blade. When you get a little bit on the nose, that's okay. We can just clean this up later. Tada! So you don't want to overdo it, but you do want to get enough product. Okay. And then, you can also get some on the chin. I like to also put some on her chest because it makes her coat look a little bit thicker. So that's what we do use the powder puff for. So just put it like that. Then, like that. See the difference? And this part, so it hides all of the pinkish areas. Also include this on the paws, like so. See? Other side. Okay. Now the next stage is to cover up all her gray areas around her face. So it really becomes black and white. So like this part, just a little gray cover. Okay, so I like to use for this gray part really. There's also a black version of this, but then sometimes on the shows it touches their face, and we don't want anything to stay in their hands. I just use this little, it's like really an eyebrow thing that you can see. So, just, again, this helps secure, brush it with side of your face. Remove all of those white hairs. And that's just really it. You know, grooming her for shows is not really about changing her appearance, it's just enhancing her natural beauty. So this part needs to be colored. And also try using like a matte mascara. Remember, it needs to be matte. You don't want that shiny because it looks unnatural. So I just use this Ever Villanable New Mascara. Sure to remove the excess. So again, also there's a little bit more white. So stay tuned for the finished results. Okay, so we're almost done. See how she is? Look at her face. Arbie, show your face. Ta-da! Black is black, white is white. So the last part is really getting rid of all of this excess powder. And then also, the last thing that we do in our routine is coat shine. So this is another tool that we use. This is a Chris Christensen ionic brush. And then, so to finish her off after grooming her face, this really spray. And then just smooth it out with this. Make your coat like really shiny. Don't forget the hair. Massage, 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 massage. And then, of course, it is the most important part, is treat. Good job.